Hello, sir.
Hello. How you doing?
We are doing good. How are you?
Good. I'm glad to hear. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
How are you, Shaheen?
No, myself, Karim. Shine is my
Ka-
teammate.
Oh, your teammate. Who's sending me email? Who, you or Shaheen?
Shaheen.
Oh, Shaheen. Okay, but he said I'm
Please,
gonna meet with Shaheen.
yeah, please wait. I just
Okay,
told him.
okay. Inshallah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
Okay, Shine just join us.
Okay. Sounds good.
Okay, sir, I just tell you everything. Myself, I'm a Karim, and here Shine, he is my teammate. We are provide all kind of digital marketing services all over the world. Till now, we have completed lots of projects with our client satisfaction. So recently, Shaheen will visit your YouTube channel and he saw there your content quality is great, but you have not optimized your SEO section perfectly. That's why your content are not getting much likes, subscribers, views. So we are the professional digital marketer and we know lots of hidden tricks for your channel. So if you have any question, you can ask me now.
No, I don't have any questions yet. I got. Where did you get to? Did you just select my YouTube channel randomly, or did somebody tell you about it, or how exactly did you find me?
We just select your YouTube channel randomly. We research lots of channel and we saw there your content quality is great, but you have not optimized your SEO section. That's why we mail you.
Okay. What country are you based out of?
We are from Bangladesh.
Oh, Bangladesh. Okay, I have my friend. He live in Bangladesh.
Okay. Okay, so we have three kind of working process. First is SEO, second is video promotion, and third is Google AdWords. Now I tell you my first working process SEO. SEO means search engine optimization. YouTube SEO refers to the process of optimizing your content or channel to obtain organic or unpaid traffic from search engine result page. It involves various strategic and technique to track more organic traffic to your channel.
Mm.
So I think you notice that sometime when you search something on YouTube and Google, then YouTube and Google shows some website and videos top on the search list. It's happened because they include some specific keyword on their video keyword section area. That's why YouTube and Google shows their videos top on the search list. We research the best keyword for your video. Then when we include them perfectly, then your video also shows top on the search list. So it is our SEO work, and we provide our SEO work by using vidIQ, TubeBuddy, and also 10 plus SEO tools, which is verified by Google and YouTube officially. So it is our first working process, and our second working process is video promotion. Is like promote your video by social media. Lots of people now using social media, so this is the right time to share your video on social media. When we perfectly share your video on social media, then you will get organic traffic from it, because they find your video easily, and if they like your video, then you will get organic traffic from it. And our third working process is Google Ad Run. It's kind of boosting your video by Google Ad, but at this moment I cannot suggest you to do this. You can try it future, because it's include two type of payment. At first you pay for Google Ad, and you have to pay for our work. So at this time I think it's expensive. So our okay, you can ask me any question if
No, I don't have questions yet. Go ahead, continue.
We have two type of working method: weekly basis and monthly basis. So our weekly basis, we complete your 10 videos for $120, and if you want, you can purchase our monthly basis package. Then it's we complete your 40 video for 300 US dollar. And to do this, we need a editor access from your channel. It's not include any password. You can easily give us editor access by using your YouTube Studio app.
And what would you do? What would you do? What would you do with my channel?
We optimize your keyword section, and if we need to change your title or description, then we tell you. Then if you permit us to change your title or description or thumbnail, then we can change it.
Okay. And have you? How long have you been doing this business?
Almost 3 years.
3 years.
I just share my screen and I show you everything.
Yeah.
If you visit my Instagram, then you can see here lots of buyer meeting and client review and my working proof.
What is your Instagram?
I just type in Zoom box.
Hold on, I'm doing it.
Okay.
Sorry, one more. Okay, you're texting it to me. Yeah. Is it MA Karim.66?
Yeah, makarim.66.
Nice page.
Okay, you can visit it manually.
Yeah, I found it. I just follow you.
Okay, thank you. And you can see our previous work. I just share. Okay. Here you can find our previous work. After this conversation, Shine will send this link. Here is our previous work.
I see. And right now, you and Shaheen are like the owners of company or something, or are you guys just working together side by side?
We have 10 to 20 teammates. We don't have any company yet.
I see. And like how many people are you working with? Like, is this something that I sign up for a lot of things, and a lot of times what happens is that in the beginning, people are very optimistic, but once they have me as an account, then they don't give me service. 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks.
Our first target is our client satisfaction. You don't worry about this. If you want, you can pay us 50%. Then if you satisfied in our work, then you can pay our another 50%.
I see. And how do you accept payment?
We use PayPal. Do you have any PayPal account?
PayPal. Okay.
Yeah. We have another method like Western Union, cryptocurrency. If you want, you can choose anything. PayPal, cryptocurrency, bank transfer. We have lots of method.
Yes, I understand. Okay. And now what you say is that what you do is you do SEO and you do video promotion.
Yeah.
For that price. So what should be my expectation? What should be my expectation from like the first week? What is the expectation?
We promote video perfectly, but if your content quality is great, then your video can be viral. But first week you will get 2,000 to 5,000 view, I think, and SEO is an organic process. That's why you cannot reach this success in overnight, but you can definitely see our result in a month or something else.
Yes, I understand. And now, in terms of the channel itself, are there any things that you would do to the channel itself to promote the channel, to get subscribers?
If we promote your video, then you will get organic subscribers.
Organic subscribers.
Yeah.
Okay. And like based on your experience with other channels, like how long does it take for subscribers? What kind of subscribers? Like what kind of feedback have you gotten from other channels?
It's depend on their video quality. If their content is great and video quality is great, then their video can be viral and they will get 5,000 to 10,000 subscribers. But it's depend on your video quality, and if your video goes to viral, then you will get more subscribers.
Do you do video editing?
Yeah, we can do video editing. We have a video editing expert.
Okay. So for instance,
So,
like sorry, go ahead.
If you want, we have a teammate. They are web developer, there are video editor, and they are SEO specialist. There are lots of people working with us. So if you want video editing, then you can tell us, and we tell him, our guy, and they provide video editing service.
Okay, would that be separate, or will that be like do you have a package for this, or how does it work?
We have a package. We have a package. We complete your 30 video for $300 US.
Videos.
30 video for $300 US.
Okay, how many minutes is each video?
If you give us 20-minute or 30-minute videos, then we'll edit it in a day, I think, because video editing take lots of time.
Okay. 30-minute video. Okay. And then 30 video for 300.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Mashallah. Mashallah. This guy sounds good. And where in Bangladesh are you?
We are from Sathe district, nearby Sundarban.
Sathe. Because I have one friend. I know him 10 years. He lives in Bangladesh. I want to ask him kind of Sathe.
Yeah, Sathe or Khulna.
Khulna.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have an appointment with him, inshallah, next week. His name is Omar. He has podcast as well. So I'll tell him, he's supposed to be working with me at my channel. I'll mention to him, I just want to ask around a little bit. And inshallah, I really like this. Thank you very much for reaching out to me.
Thank you.
I was thinking I want to find somebody to help me with my channel, but I'm not ready yet to promote the material I have, because all the videos I have are just regular. I record regular. I don't do any editing. I don't put, tags and titles and subscribe. And I haven't done anything like this. I need somebody to help me with that.
Yeah, we are able to help you. No problem.
Yeah. I want that. Thank you. Shaheen, thank you very much for coming.
Thank you, sir. Have a good day.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Bye.
Thank you. Bye. Bye.